Welcome to Go Ham and Program. In tonight's episode, we're going to be going over how to summarize Wikipedia articles. So basically what we'll do is we will automate Google with Python. We'll search Wikipedia for a specific term, and we'll gather all the URLs that are relevant to that term. Then we'll scrape the data, and then we will clean the data. And we'll finally throw it through some natural language processing software through Python. And it's a form of machine learning that's going to help us summarize the text that we scraped. And then we will spit out that good information, and we'll be able to learn something new from it. So let's get into it. Cue the space music. So for part one, all we're going to do is access Google. Here's the first step. Selenium will be the only one you'll need to pip install, and you'll want to put in these dependencies also as written on screen. So now we're going to make an input variable, which we will use to type in the term we want to look up on Wikipedia. Now we're going to add in two options for our Chrome browser. They are optional, but they do help the performance of the browser. The headless display I'm going to comment out for now so that we can watch the browser work. But for a faster processing, you can uncomment this out. To download Chrome driver, you will go to Chrome to check out which version of Chrome you're using, and then you'll go to the Chrome driver website to download that version. Now we're going to set up our driver by adding in the options and linking the executable path. This will be the file path of your downloaded Chrome driver. Finally, we will add an implicit wait, which makes the driver pause for a moment before going on to the next step. And we will designate the URL link, which is going to be Wikipedia. Finally, we're going to use driver to get to that URL. That concludes part one. Be sure to tune into part two, where we will go into next steps.